Did she ever have a shed, like a storage shed?
No.
No?
Never had a shed. She stored everything underneath the trailer.
Oh, really?
And the guys are gonna pull all that stuff out too. There's storage underneath this hole.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of space under there.
There's little doors that slide.
Don't mind me. I'm taking video for her mom in Alaska.
What, honey?
Yeah, that's about it.
There won't be any
Oh,
You might think about putting one back
it's a good idea.
You have to go.
Huh? Yeah, keep her outside, okay?
I don't think you really have to do anything. She just had them built.
Oh, okay.
Babe, they're wondering about a shed. You don't have to deal with the office at all, do you? Unless it's big, huge. Oh, you do?
Yeah, you gotta just tell them what you're gonna use and make sure that they approve it, which they almost never disapprove.
Right. As long as it looks decent with the trailer.
Yeah, it either has to be white sided with black shingles, or it has to be inside. No.
A year ago?
Yeah, and they sold the trailer and it moved, right? Yeah. So,
It used to be, there was a lady there, an old lady there, and Mr. Beagle House and others. Here, so they haven't done it yet. She's on, another people there, Mr. Beagle House, so everything's going.
You can move the trailer off the lot?
I think you have to sign a year lease here though. Have to wait a year, but after that you can do whatever. You have what you want?
No, you have to have a year's lease, just have to be.
Oh, you want to stay here a year?
Right.
As you can see, I'll have to do a little bit of fixing up. Just cosmetic stuff mostly. What do you think?
You taking video?
Yeah, I'm taking video.
I love it.
Yeah.
I'm glad we picked this one.
Say hi to your mom.
Hi, Mama. And the blinds and everything are in perfect condition.
Yeah.
We don't even need window treatments.
Yeah.
That can save a whole lot of money.
See, that is not a door there. That's just a door set up against the wall.
Bedroom.
For the other bedroom. Watch out, baby.
Some mildew problems.
Yeah. I'll get some of that
I
video.
was showing her. We should show her what the ceiling looks like and stuff.
Yeah, I'll get that on video in just a second. I took a couple pictures already, so. Alright. And then
And show her the new windows.
they say it hasn't leaked in a while. Everything feels really solid. It's very sturdy feeling, so this is the worst we've seen up in here. But if we put that coat of stuff on the roof and replace the paneling here, and then we'll just kind of keep an eye on it over the winter, next winter.
The non-trailer window.
Yeah.
Let me see. We should probably get out of there here.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'm gonna just...
The cool bathroom mirror.
Yeah. Very cool.
I'm gonna paint everything.